Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix an error on PayPal app using your iOS device. If there is any kind of an error going on your PayPal app, or if you're not being able to start up the PayPal application, then here are some fixes you could try and follow. The first thing you'll need to do is to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and get connected to a stable internet. Once you do that, restart the PayPal application. If you've opened up your PayPal application currently, then make sure you close the PayPal app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then pause in the middle of the screen. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then swipe up on PayPal application to close it off. Once you do that, open the PayPal app again and you might be able to fix the issue. If the problem still continues, look for the update for PayPal app. Go ahead and open up your App Store and then search for PayPal in the search box. Once you make a search for it, look for the PayPal app and check if there is an update available. If there is one, you will be able to see the update button as shown on the screen. Simply tap the update button to download the latest version of PayPal application. Once the update is completed, launch the app open and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, then you can also restart your device. Turn off your device and turn it on back again, and then open up the PayPal app once again and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the general and the most basic troubleshooting methods you could follow in order to fix your PayPal application error using your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.